Probability of independent events. Find the probability of drawing a red checker from a bag of 9 black checkers and 6 red checkers, replacing it and drawing another red checker. The first thing it asks for is red. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the probability of event A times the probability of event B. So we're looking for probability of red. The second event is drawing another red. Okay, so there are 6 red out of a total of 15. We are replacing it, so the probability does not change. So we are going to do 6/15 again. We can simplify 6 and 15 by 3. So we have 6 divided by 3 is 2, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we're going to be doing 2/5 times 2/5. We can't simplify the diagonals, so top times top, we get 4. Bottom times bottom is 25. 4/25. Let's take a look at number 2. Find the probability of drawing a black checker from a bag of 9 black checkers, 6 red checkers, replacing it, and drawing another red checker. The first event is black checker. The second event is red checker. So I have 9 black out of a total of 15. The probability of red is 6/15. Remember, we just simplified 6/15 in the previous example. We got 2/5. Now let's simplify 9/15 by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So now we have 3/5 times 2/5, top times top, bottom times bottom. We get 6/25. Alright, let's take a look at number 3. Find the probability of rolling a 1, 2, or 3 on the first roll of a number cubed 1 through 6 and rolling a 4, 5, or 6 on the second roll of the same cube. Okay, so we have the probability of 1, 2, 3 times the probability of 4, 5, 6. Alright, if we look at a number cube, the options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's only 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 3. So there's 3 out of 6, which simplifies to 1/2. And then if we look at the second cube, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So that's also 3 out of 6, which simplifies to 1/2. Top times top, bottom times bottom, I'm going to get 1/4. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. A bag contains 9 red marbles, 3 green marbles. Bag B contains 9 black marbles and 6 orange marbles. Find the probability of selecting 1 green marble from bag A and 1 black marble from bag B. So the first event is a green from bag A, and the second event is a black marble from bag B. Alright, so in bag A, there are 3 green out of a total of 12. 3/12 simplifies to 1/4. In bag B, there are 9 black out of a total of 15. 9/15 we've already simplified is 3/5. Okay, top times top, bottom times bottom, we get 3/20. Alright, question number 5. It says 2 seniors, one from each government class, are randomly selected to travel to Washington, D.C. Wes is in a class of 18 students and Maureen is in a class of 20 students. Find the probability that Wes and Maureen will be selected. So we want the probability of Wes and we want the probability of Maureen. Well, there's only one Wes out of a total of 18, and there's only one Maureen out of a total of 20. So we can't simplify. Top times top is 1. We have 18 times 20. We have 0. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have 1 over 360. Let's take a look at the back side. A bag contains 5 yellow marbles, 4 red marbles, and 6 yellow marbles. What is the probability of drawing 2 yellow marbles with replacement? So we want the probability of yellow times the probability of yellow. Alright, so I have 6 yellow out of a total of 15. I'm replacing it so the probability does not change, so it's going to be 6/15. I simplify 6 and 15 in a ladder by 3. I get 2/5. So 2/5 times 2/5 is 4/25. Alright, let's take a look at number 2. A coin is flipped twice. What is the probability of getting heads both times? So we have probability of heads times probability of heads, which is 1/2 times 1/2. Top times top, bottom times bottom, we get 1/4. Alright, number 3. A standard number cube is rolled twice. What is the probability of rolling a 6 both times? So we have the probability of 6 times the probability of 6. On the number cube, you have the options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's only one 6 out of a total of 6 options. So top times top, I get 1. Bottom times bottom, I get 36. 136. Last one. The spinner below is spun twice. What is the probability of spinning a number less than 4 both times? So we have probability of less than 4 times probability of less than 4. On a number cube, the options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The numbers less than 4 are 3, 2, and 1. So we have 3 options out of a total of, we're not doing a number cube, we're doing a spinner. So back that up. I don't want a number cube, I want this spinner. Okay, on this spinner, the numbers less than 4 are 3, 2, and 1. So there are 3 options out of 4. Well, the same thing as 3 out of 4. Top times top, 3 times 3 is 9. Bottom times bottom is 16. 9/16.